Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be giving you 5 top tips for using the ProQ smoke generator.
And don't forget to watch right to the very end of the video. I have a special bonus tip for you, which I'm sure if you do a lot of cold smoking, you will find incredibly useful. Anyway, enjoy the 5 tips. Here they are.
Tip 1.
Whenever you're filling your smoke generator, always fill it to the very top. Anything less will likely give you too little smoke density and a vastly increased chance of the smoke generator going out prematurely. When you fill the smoke generator, run your finger around the top of the maze to prevent any burn across. And it's worth remembering with this smoke generator there is no need to compact the wood dust, just a gentle tap will settle it down and give you a perfect burn.
Tip 2.
Using the tea light to light the smoke generator can be a little fiddly, especially if you have large fingers. And it can be particularly difficult to retrieve the tea light when it's done its work and is hot. To get around this, all you need to do is insert a small nail or tack into the side of the tea light to act as a handle. Placing and retrieving the tea light is now a walk in the park. The tea light should only remain under the generator for 30 seconds. Alternatively, you can use a blowtorch to light your smoke generator, which can make the whole lighting process just a little bit easier.
Tip 3.
If the food you're smoking doesn't require a long smoke, you can partially fill your cold smoke generator along the maze to reduce the duration of the smoke to just a couple of hours. This works really well for some mild cheeses and other foods where a light smoke is preferable.
Tip 4.
After you've finished using your cold smoke generator, always brush it out with a soft wire brush or a stiff paintbrush and store it in the dry. This will remove any ash from the maze and prevent corrosion of the mesh, giving you many years of service from your generator.
And finally, tip 5.
After using your smoke generator several times, it can get a little cloggy with tarry products of combustion. These deposits can be difficult to remove when using a brush. In a ventilated space, place your smoke generator into a plastic bag and using a spray oven cleaner, liberally coat the smoke generator, ensuring all the affected parts are coated. Leave it sealed in the bag for 24 hours and then remove and rinse in cold water. You'll find the vast majority of the crud on this smoke generator will come off with just a light brush. And remember, whenever you use one of these spray-on oven cleaners, please wear gloves when you're cleaning. And by the time you've finished, it will look like new. And here's a bonus tip for you. Sometimes wood dust has a tendency to go out, especially when the humidity is high or the temperature is extremely cold. This can be a real problem for some of the slower burning woods like oak, sweet chestnut and even hickory. To get around this, I pre-warm my oven to 120 degrees Celsius and place the unlit, loaded cold smoke generator onto a baking tray and place it in the oven for 20 minutes. This really dries out the wood dust extremely well and can prevent the frustration of a premature extinction.
Well, I hope you enjoyed the video and got something from it. Those smoke generators are absolutely amazing and I've been using mine for a decade. They are brilliant, and I would highly recommend you get one if you're going to be looking at doing any form of cold smoking. They are brilliant. Anyway, if you like the video, please give us a big thumbs up. It helps that video get out to more people. And do subscribe if you found it interesting. We upload lots and lots of interesting content along these lines. So click that bell icon so you get notified as soon as we upload new content. In the meantime, folks, take care of yourselves. Happy smoking, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care. Bye now.